rehabilitated.
Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh has emphasized the need to detect and stop the supply of drug and other narcotic substances at the entry points to Meghalaya. Speaking to media persons, Lyngdoh said he has pointed out to the Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home Police that there is a need to increase our policing at the entry points. 70% of the narcotics that come to Meghalaya come from East Jaintia Hills district, and policing in that district has to be strengthened. The state government proposed the appointment of a new mission director for the DREAM project, as the current director is tied up with a number of responsibilities in the Home Department.
We have also proposed for a new mission director for the DREAM project, because the current director is tied up with a number of responsibilities, heavy responsibilities in the Home Department. And apart from everything, this is something that even in the government, Social Welfare Department on its own will not be able to successfully counter or bring down the rate of drug addiction. This involves the Home Police Department, it involves the entire state machinery, and certainly at the local level, we also need the active support of the community.